Suhail, thank you so much for joining me. It's such a pleasure to see you today.
Likewise, nice to see you in person. Oh, well, over Zoom.
Definitely, definitely. Would you mind sharing with us how long you've been working with the Angela Calla Mortgage Team and how you first heard of us?
Okay, so we have been working, I think, over 12 years with you guys now. Maybe even longer than that. I don't exactly remember, but we've been working with you guys so long that we heard your ad with Don Cherry on Coach's Corner.
Oh my goodness. Yes, I remember the Hockey Night in Canada stuff that
Yeah,
we
so
were doing.
going right into it, that's how we heard about you guys while we were watching hockey. And, we said we were having some issues with our bank at the time, so we decided to just give you guys a shot. And here we
Excellent.
are.
And so you say you were having some issues with your bank. Would you kindly elaborate on that a little bit?
Yeah, I think the biggest challenge, at least at that time with the big banks, was you were just another person where they wanted your mortgage, but they also wanted you to, like, it's not a trap, but they wanted you to get their other services as well. Here, hey, if you do our mortgage, you get a better rate if you invest with us, if you open this account, if you open that account. And we didn't really understand why that was dependent on us getting a better mortgage rate.
Lots of cross-selling.
Yeah, and we weren't interested. We just wanted, we're pretty upfront. Tell us what the best rate is, and if you provide the service, we will go with you guys and use your services.
Yeah. So a big difference between working with us who specialize in mortgages and we're advocating for you consistently
Yes.
compared to that feeling of, having all your tentacles and in one place and being held stuck in one place, right?
Yeah, and we didn't like the pushiness. And it's, frustrating when you're looking for a certain level of service and they're pushing other things for you to buy.
Well, good thing you followed your instincts and back when the Canucks had a shot, right? When we were back in Hockey Night in Canada.
Sorry, I'm an Oilers fan.
Pardon me?
I'm an Oilers fan.
Hey, me too.
Oh,
Me
yeah.
too. Yeah, actually, my family went to Edmonton for one of the family games. My husband had treated the family, so we got to watch one of the final games, and we won one of the final games that we had won
Awesome.
before sadly we didn't win.
That's amazing.
Yeah, definitely. So we're Oilers fans too.
Excellent.
Excellent. So I guess you spoke a little bit about the differences between working with the bank and working with us. 2014, I see here as one of the, it's been far over a decade. How have you found the consistency with our branch and the people that you've worked with and navigating all the different things that have happened over the last decade working together with the Angela Calla Mortgage Team?
I think my favorite part is that if we have any questions or concerns, I can email you or call you, and somebody will answer almost right away.
Yeah.
And
Well, you're a part of the family, so
yes, and that's how we feel. We feel that any concern we have, you guys are on top of it right away. And when we work with the big banks, we don't get that same type of service. And John, David, Julie, yourself. I'm sorry if I forgot somebody, but they're always there for us.
we are.
Yeah.
We are, and it's a pleasure. And I know that your family has grown so much. You started with us, I guess, just before you had your first, or when you had your first before you had your second?
Just after our second.
Just after your second.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Excellent. And now you're on your way to mortgage freedom.
Yeah, we can't wait. Can't come fast enough.
Yeah, I was looking and I was excited to see the progression from when we started and how far you've come and taken advantage of all the market opportunities so you're able to pay your mortgage off faster.
Yes, definitely. And one of the things we really like is when you guys do the check-ins with us, 6 months or a few months after we've gotten the mortgage. And if the interest rates go up or down or they're about to, you will always email us and get in touch with us. So we're kind of ahead of the curve that way.
I feel that's the biggest difference that we probably don't talk about as much. I think when most people think about mortgages, they think about rates, but
Hmm.
don't think people recognize necessarily how much of an advantage it is and how much closer you get to mortgage freedom because we're unbiased, because we have no allegiance to any particular lender. Our only goal is to help you reach your financial goals, is that we are consistently following up. And you've had over a decade of seeing that and experiencing that, not just someone saying something initially to do a mortgage together, but you've seen that over time, we've consistently helped you with that, which has gotten you closer to your goals, and it's been reassuring.
Yeah, definitely. It's really nice to have somebody in your corner that is fighting for you.
Excellent. Well, we couldn't be any happier to have you as a part of our mortgage family, and we're super grateful to you and your family, and we're always here to help. What advice would you give to people considering getting a mortgage, or that maybe have that feeling, or maybe they don't know the difference? Maybe they think that that's just standard. What would you say, I guess, the biggest differences are working with us versus working with the bank, and what people should know that they can actually take advantage of?
I think I've kind of went on in that a little bit by saying how you guys are always there for us. If I need to talk to somebody, you're within a few hours, email, call. So I think my advice would be to just to give you guys a call and give you a chance, just like we did over a decade ago, because
Awesome.
you guys have helped us so much get to our goal of paying our mortgage off.
Excellent. Well, we can't wait to help with the completion of that goal. And I want to wish you and your family all the very, very best. And I'm so grateful you could spend a few minutes with us today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys take care and please say hi to everybody.
I sure will. They say hi as well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good
Bye.
one. Bye now.